Hi everybody, it's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library. How are you all? Good. Guys, how sad is it? This is our last week for the summer reading program. This is our last summer reading program craft for the youth. Oh my goodness, it's so sad. I cannot believe how quick it went. Can you? I know, it went super fast. Can you believe it? It's okay. It's okay because we're going to end on a fun note. We're ending with it's kind of a watercraft, but we're not actually playing with water. Interesting, yes. All right, so, some of the things you're going to need. Now, you can choose to paint this box. We're using a Kleenex box, by the way, a tissue box. You can choose to either paint it or you can choose to decorate it with construction paper or cardstock, which is just like a thicker paper. Those are your two choices, really. I mean, or you can just leave it plain. You can just leave it like a regular tissue paper box. If you like the pattern on the box, totally fine. So your choices. Get your materials if it's not in your kit, okay? Cover your workspace. Always cover your workspace. Definitely if you're painting, make sure you've got clothes that are okay to get dirty. Or a smock, okay? You will need some tape and some scissors and some glue. All right, now off the top of my head, I think that's all you're gonna need. Sometimes I forget to mention stuff in the beginning of the video and I may have to say in the end of the video, wait, you needed this. But I think I've got it under control, everybody. All right, so anyway, what we're making is a jumping dolphin. How fun does that look? We are going to make this craft with a tissue paper Kleenex box, okay? So first thing you want to do is decide how you want your box to look. Do you want to decorate this like under the sea? Under the sea. Okay, so you decide if you want to decorate your box, okay? That's the first thing you need to do. Decorate your box. I decorated one side. Well, actually, I painted the whole box blue. That's what I did. I did paint. I actually did spray paint because I found that to be much easier. But you can use acrylic paint. Might work the best. You could probably use washable paint, but I spray painted. Okay, anyway. And I went ahead and I drew an under the sea scene because I wanted to be simple. You can use construction paper. You can use pictures out of magazines. You can use pictures out of coloring books that you've colored. You can print papers off if you want to decorate your ocean scene, however, or you can draw. Or you can leave it plain and simple. Like this one on here is really just water and waves. So, you know, use your imagination, decorate it however you want. This is just what I chose, okay? Quite frankly, the chances of finding a dolphin jumping in waters this shallow are very slim, but that doesn't matter because I just wanted the box to look cute. So that's what I did. Okay, so you've decorated your box, right? Yes, you guys are keeping up with me. You're the best. All right. Okay, so now we want to take this. You're going to have this cute little tiny dolphin in your kit. You want to take this dolphin. If you want to decorate your dolphin, go ahead. If you want to add any features to it, go ahead. Do that now. I'm just going to leave mine blank, but if you want to put an eye or a mouth or any kind of anything you want to do to make your dolphin look however you want it to look, do it now. And then take your dolphin, take your glue. Oh gosh. Take your CD, the disc that you have in your kit, and you probably don't want to use the side that has like a picture on it. You probably want to use the shiny side and glue your dolphin onto the top of, like, I'm going to glue it right here, right onto the top part of your CD disc, okay? Just glue it on there really good. La la la. You know what's awesome about this purple glue? You know everywhere that you put the glue. So I know I've covered the dolphin in glue. And you're just going to position him on there. Stick him on there. Him, her. And there you go. Dolphin on a CD. like I said, you get to decorate it if you want to decorate your dolphin, or however, decorate. You're not really decorating. If you want to design your dolphin, I don't know. You do it, okay? Now we're going to make an axle. This is the part that's going to make your dolphin actually be able to spin. This is the spinning feature. There's going to be a piece of paper in your kit. Take your piece of paper, fold it in half, lengthwise. You're taking it the long way, folding it right in half, like so. And then we're gonna roll it. So now I'm gonna take it the long side. Well, yes. So the long side, and you're just gonna like roll it up. Always getting the roll started is the most difficult, isn't it? Once you get it started, it's easy peasy. Getting it started, that's the trickiest. So roll it up tight. You got it all rolled up. Now, I don't want you going around hitting your siblings with this. I don't want you going around drumming with it. Just hold on to it. We're gonna use it for our axle. That's what we're making, okay? See, rolled up. I want you to take it and slip it right inside the hole of your CD, okay? If you're like me and you didn't roll it tight enough, roll it tighter. Sometimes you need something to help you get it tighter inside there. Like, I don't know if my finger's small enough, but if you had like a pencil, that could help you get it really tight in there. You know, it helps you get your roll tighter. Let me see if that worked. My pinky was quite small enough. Oh yes, it did. All right, so get it in there and then just let it go. Because that's how you want it to be. See, it's making my dolphin move right now. That's what I want. I want it to be tight in the center circle. I don't want it to, I mean, not tight enough that it doesn't move, but tight enough that it rolls my dolphin, okay? All right, oh, we're getting closer, everybody. Hey, we're getting so much closer. Okay. Now, we are going to, well, let's take it and secure it with tape just so that it doesn't, like, I guess, unroll anymore. Okay, so just take a little bit of tape it up. You know what, it's not even so that it doesn't unroll, but so that it rolls nicely when we're ready to put it actually where we want it to roll, where we want our axle to be, okay? Because otherwise, like, some of this paper, if you notice on yours, I noticed it on mine, is kind of sticking up a little bit, and that may impede the axle process, which means, watch, so on this side I taped it down nice and smooth, but on this side it's not so smooth. See how it's kind of sticking up right there? So that could make it so that when you roll it, it's going to be bumpy, like it won't roll really smooth. All right, so now I smoothed it out with tape. It's nice and smooth. Nice, nice. Okay, now we are going to, I'm reading the directions because I did read the directions. I know what to do, but I just want to make sure that I'm doing it right on the video for you. Sometimes I do things a little bit backwards, and I don't want to do that for you, okay? So we did the axle, we slid it through the CD, we secured it with tape. Now we're going to take this cord. Whoa. All right. We're going to take this cord. We're going to tie it around one side of your axle, okay? So just kind of take it and just tie it around like so. Tie, and make sure you just tie it in a knot so it doesn't come untied on you. Tying, tying, tying. Sometimes when I'm trying to make small knots, it doesn't tie super nice for me, but I got it, I think. Okay, after you've done that, alrighty, all right, now you want to take it, once it's tied on there, and you want to wrap your string, roll it around like so. I wonder if it matters which way you roll it. It probably does, don't you think? Well, either way, I'm gonna wrap it around, wrap it around, wrap it around. Probably depends also if you're, hey, you can't see my face, sorry. If you're lefty or righty. Okay. So you're just gonna, and you wanna leave a little bit extra here because you're gonna be pulling that, okay? So I wrapped it, I did that. Now I am going to take these water bottle, well actually these are pop bottle, why do I see botter? And you're gonna put them, that's actually too big, just like I was thinking it might be. Okay, so you're gonna put this on the end here, yep, and put this one on this end. So you have water bottle covers right on the ends of your things, okay? All right, then we're gonna take it and stick it right like so. See what I just did, or was I blocking your view? So I put these on the ends and I took it and I stuck it right in the center like this, okay? I actually think that my paper was too long. Now my directions don't say anything about if the paper is too long. So I'm gonna have to say this in the video. If your paper is too long, because you don't want your paper to go over the box. You want it to be the same length as the box. Haha. This is something the directions did not tell us. This is why we do these. We're gonna have to cut our paper down. I'm cutting my paper down, everybody. Just a hint. Ooh, did you see it? So that it is the same length as the box, and it's still too long. Still quite a bit too long. So I need to cut that down again. Now if yours is doing the same thing, then cut yours down like I did. Cut it down. Oh, got it. All right. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Now we can take our water bottle covers and put them on there like so. It should fit right like that. Yep, they should fit perfectly with the edges of your box. Okay? All right, but they're not gonna just stay up there. We have to make them stay up there. I actually do wonder if these bigger ones will work now that I cut it to the correct length. I'm gonna go ahead and try these bigger ones. All right, now you're gonna take some cardstock that should be in your kit, and you're gonna take it and kind of put it over, right over. Let me see if I can get it. Let me see if I can do it with this hand. Okay, you're gonna put it over this like this, and then tape it down. Oop, we don't want to cover our string though. We want our string covered. Okay. All right, so we're putting it over, so it's gonna hold the water bottle cover down, and then just tape it in place. All right. So here we go, taping. And taping this end. And now I'm gonna tape right here, closer to it. There we go. There we go. Oop. That is, you might even need a second hand to help you get in there to tape that really good. All right. Alrighty, here we go. I have one side taped down nice. So it's just holding that water bottle piece in place. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side now. Once I do that, it's gonna hold it all together for me. You don't need to glue it all together because these are gonna hold them in place. I'm just gonna do the same thing over here that I did over there. Put my paper over the top of it and tape it down so that it holds it in place. So, one tape job, two tape job, and then I'll get closer in here. We'll get right there. There we go. And then we'll get the other side. Okay. All right, this was great. Once we figured out that little piece of the puzzle. Okay, so now look. We have it all taped together. See that? I taped it. Now if you want, you can also cover those or color them so that it doesn't look like that if that bothers you a lot, okay? And there we go. This is our project all put together. I'm out of the picture again. This is our project all put together. Now let's see if it works. this is where our string comes in handy. We're going to take our string and very gently pull it. Ready? Let's see. Oh, come on. Let's see if it works. There it is. Now it's jumping, but see, I actually put the string back. I put the string the wrong way, so my dolphin is magical and it jumps backwards. I have a backward jumping dolphin. Oh, yay. Now, once you've made him go all the way, twist it up again and do it again. He can jump forever and ever. Your dolphin can forever twist and turn. How cool. This was a really fun craft to make, everybody. If you make one, if you want to send in a video, cool. If you want to come in and actually show it to us, even better. I would love to see all the different designs that you guys make in your water, or if you decorate your dolphin, that would be really neat to see too. Okay guys, have fun with this last craft of summer reading. It's not the last craft forever, it's just the last craft of summer reading program. I hope you've kept up with your reading, and I hope you've been plugging in all your minutes, because it's almost over. And that means prizes will be given. So read, read, read. It's super important. Read, read, read. Maybe you can read up on dolphins or animals of the ocean. Who knows? Come on in, get some books, check them out. I will see you in the fall. Bye, everybody.